Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your notification preferences in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Trendyol app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some recommendations, some products that we can buy, some sales, some deals. But from here we have to go and tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner. And here in this menu, under the account section, we find the settings. And then in settings at the bottom we find notification preferences. Here we can select to enable the app to send us product updates, offers, sales and fashion updates, surveys, and other things through email, SMS, or through WhatsApp. And yeah, just by tapping one of those and then tapping on update my preferences, we enabled and updated the notification preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.